To invest in yourself, consider setting goals. Setting goals can help you achieve. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm excited to share with you the story of the best investment I ever make. Growing up, I never thought that investing in myself would be the best investment I could ever make. But that all changed when I attended an 8,000 real estate seminar. The seminars were a game changer for me and my family's finances. It taught me the importance of self-education and how it can change your life beyond measure. In this video, I will share with you my journey of how I went from being skeptical about investing in myself to becoming a firm believer in it. I will also share with you some tips on how you can invest in yourself and why it's important to do so. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. My name is Korianne and I'm excited to share my real estate investment journey with you. I have been investing in cash flow properties since 2001 and it has helped me achieve financial independence. I hope that by sharing my experience, I can inspire you to invest in cash flow real estate so that you can achieve your financial goals too and make an impact on people around you. By investing in my own education, I have gained valuable skills that have helped me make informed decisions about how to manage and grow my hard-earned money. The knowledge and skill I have gained in real estate investing will always be with me and no one can take them away. This is why investing in myself has been the best investment I ever make. I reflected on the money that I invested in my real estate education has been returned nicely in the last 22 years. Once you learn the skill, you will make a better decisions when an opportunity presents itself. Here is an example of one of the properties that I'm still holding after 20 years. I purchased this one in 2002 at $180,000, invested $40,000 down payment plus the closing costs. In 2005, I refinanced cash out $60,000 when the values was at $330,000. The new loan balance is $247,000. That is 75% of loan to value. Pay off the existing loan is $140,000. Took back all my initial capital investment of $40,000. Subtracting closing cost of $7,000, the profit is about $60,000. I had zero money for this project. Fast forward in 2023, the current market value for this property is about $450,000. With the outstanding loan of $182,000, this leaves the equity in this one property is $268,000. Because I have zero money in the property, this is called the infinite return. With ongoing education, subscription to real estate related information, let's say I spend about $30,000 on my real estate self-education. I make a 10x return on my self-education investment from just one investment property. What if I apply the same skill set to invest in another 40 projects like this one? The estimated total return can be astonishing. I would not be able to multiply my money without attending that weekend's real estate seminar and implementing what I learned. Looking back, I'm so grateful I spent my money on the self-education. This skill set is forever with me and allowed me to make informed, intelligent decisions based on numbers rather than emotion. Here are some tips to invest in yourself starting today. Number one is set goals. To invest in yourself, consider setting goals. Setting goals can help you achieve results by defining what you want to achieve and how you will achieve it. Let's say you want to learn a new language. You can set a goal to learn 10 new words every day and practice speaking with a native speaker once a week. By setting these goals, you have defined what you want to achieve and how you will achieve it. You can track your progress and adjust your goals as needed. This can help you stay motivated and focus on your learning journey. Number 2 is take small steps. Taking small steps in self-education is a powerful strategy that can help build momentum and drive consistent progress. Rather than overwhelming yourself with lofty goals, you can begin by dedicating a few minutes each day to learning something new or engaging in specific educational activities. Whether it's reading a few pages of the book, watching a short educational video, or solving practice problems, these small steps accumulate over time. They can not only foster the sense of accomplishment, but also create a positive habit of continuous learning. As we build confidence and familiar with our choosing subject, we can gradually increase the time and effort we invest, paving the way for more sustainable advancement in our self-education journey. Number 3 is be consistent. Being consistent is a vital component of successful self-education. To ensure regular progress, it is crucial to schedule dedicated time for learning on your calendar. Treat it as a priority, just like any other important commitments. By allocating a specific block of time, you create a structural routine that reinforces the habit of continuous learning. Consistency not only helps you stay accountable, but also allow you to make steady stride toward your goals. Number 4, find your own media. Finding your own media is essential when it comes to self-education because everyone learns differently. Recognizing and embracing your unique learning style is a key to maximizing your educational journey. Some individuals thrive through reading, absorbing knowledge from books, articles, and written materials. Others find listening to be their preferred mode of learning, benefiting from podcasts, audiobooks, or educational lectures. Visual learners may find videos, documentaries, or visual presentation to be their most effective medium. Experiment with different forms of media and pay attention to what resonates with you the most. Adapt your self-educational approach to incorporate the media that aligns with your learning style, and it will enhance your comprehension, engagement, and retention of information. Number 5, keep a journal. Keeping a journal is a powerful tool to reinforce and enhance your learning process. By actively taking notes, you engage with the materials on the deeper level, improving comprehensions and retentions. When you jot down key concepts, insight, and personal reflections, you solidify your understanding and create a valuable resource for future reference. Particularly for more technical subjects, maintain a journal allows you to quickly revisit and review the knowledge you have acquired. Number 6, take care of your mind and body. Taking care of your mind and body is a fundamental aspect of investing in yourself. Self-education goes beyond acquiring knowledge. It encompasses nurturing holistic well-being. Prioritizing mental and physical health allows you to optimize your learning potential and overall quality of life. Engage in activities that promote mental well-being, such as practicing mindfulness, meditations, or journaling. Cultivate healthy habits like getting enough sleep, eating nourishing food, and staying physically active. Dedicate time to relaxation, hobby, and self-care activities that rejuvenate and recharge you. Remember, a balanced and healthy mind and body provide a solid foundation for effective learning and personal growth. Step number 7, enjoy the process. Enjoy the process is a crucial aspect of being a lifelong learner. Remember, self-education is not just about reaching the destinations, but also about savoring the journey itself. Embrace curiosity, approaching each learning opportunity with enthusiasm, and find joy in acquiring new knowledge and skills. Celebrate your milestones and achievements along the way, no matter how big or small. Reward yourself for your dedications and hard work. It could be treating yourself for something you love, taking a break to engage in favorite activity, or simply acknowledging and appreciating the process you have made. Remember, investing in yourself by engaging in continuous learning and self-education promote personal growth, adaptability in the changing world, career advancements, personal fulfillment, and finally, financial resilience. Thank you so much for watching this video on investing in yourself. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Remember the 7 steps that I just shared. Set goal, take a small step, be consistent, find your own media, keep a journal, take care of your mind and body, and finally, enjoy the process. These are just a few steps you can adopt to invest in yourself and reap the benefits. So what are you waiting for? Start investing in yourself today and see how far you can go. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact